KCMF stands for Kitchens, Closets, Millwork, and Furniture. I think what makes our business different from our competition is probably our approach to the manufacturing and achieving the quality that we do in the tough times that we have right now economically. We've spent time on the equipment and our software to make it user-friendly, to make it easier on people's backs and knees. You know, whatever we can do to make our employees more comfortable, we've tried to do. So when we started, we had one point-to-point CNC machine. We started to learn the differences between that machine and other types of CNC, other types of processing, and the software that supports it. And that's when we got involved with Stiles to start purchasing the equipment that was going to make our business successful. KCMF was built in December 2020. In that time, we've retooled and revamped our shop and our processes. We acquired a lot of aged equipment, a lot of equipment that was under-maintained. We're a small business. We don't have a ton of internal support to be chasing after problems all the time. Our bander pretty much gave up the ghost. It was a 20-year-old bander. It served its time well, but it was time to go. Stiles did an excellent job in providing the options, and we got it done, and the business kept moving. I was a pretty happy guy when our bander showed up. The setup went really smooth, the training went really well, and it was a really good feeling to start seeing parts come off of the line that we couldn't have made with the previous bander. Before we had been limited, and now we felt like we were limitless. My experience working with Stiles was very rewarding. We have a great sales rep who we feel as though we've built a relationship with. They're experts at what they are doing, and that's helped us enormously.